The Masters of Arts in Media and Entertainment Industries at Belmont University was designed to allow students to learn about the entertainment industry more at depth and in depth within a year on their own time.
This program is designed for an individual who is looking to either upskill in their current job, or a student who studied English or communication, really wants to get into the media and entertainment industries and needs to have some exposure. We have a broad-based core of classes in marketing and management and leadership that will lay a foundation of skills that they can then focus more specifically on one of our concentration tracks, content creation or the music business.
What's so unique about the content creation track is that it combines three essential things: data visualization, podcasting, and video production.
Students in the program will be learning how to use all of the Adobe suite. They'll also have access to our labs and production facilities where they'll be able to incorporate things like Avid Media Composer and our larger Avid editing system. Everything that they need to be able to produce modern professional content.
The music business track is second to none. Our curriculum is built to help those who are interested in the music business thrive. We teach artist management, the legal side, the marketing side. This program deeply connects the creative with the business side, and it's part of that magic that we have here in the music business department at Belmont.
It's an asynchronous program and hybrid. Students study most of the time in their own location, but then have the opportunity to come to campus on the front end in our fall residency or on the back end with our spring residency.
The residency is really one of the biggest benefits of the program. It's designed to give them time hands-on and here surrounded by the Belmont community to connect in person with the other professionals here on Music Row and in Nashville in general.
Part of the intentionality of the design is really to bring the Belmont community into the online space.
We want to make sure 1900 Belmont Boulevard comes online, and you feel that when you're within a course.
Belmont really connects you with people who've done this and who are doing this. We have students working at Saturday Night Live, Jimmy Fallon.
They work here in Nashville at CMT, at GAC. They work at NBC and ABC. They're everywhere. I mean, they're just everywhere.
The benefits of studying at the Curb College and specifically in the city of Nashville is access.
If I was newly pursuing a career in media and entertainment, you need the skills and you need the network. If you don't have either, going through the courses in the Media and Entertainment Master's degree is going to give you those skills, and coming to a place like Belmont is going to immediately surround you with a network of people that are actually in one of the top entertainment centers in the industry. Putting yourself here at Belmont is putting yourself in great company.